and welcome back to Pendragon's Twisted Metals, and happy 4th of July! As you might hear in some of the clips, there is already some celebration. So, tonight we are going to be, hopefully, finishing the holly ring. The braided holly ring. We're going to be putting the stones in, polishing it up, and then coloring, hopefully, patina, putting a patina on the leaf. So, let's get started. unfortunately, we got very little progress done with this because I needed to replace almost all of the prongs. So, unfortunately, because time is short, this is what we're going to have to end with. I got all the prongs all set now. They're all a good height that they can go over the stone. That was the issue, was that some of these prongs, I cut them too short, or once I got the file in there, filed them too short, and so they wouldn't be able to go over the stone. So they're all there now. So unfortunately, like I said, I mean, this was probably about 4 hours, something like that. 4 or 5 hours of work. Only about an hour of recording, but about 4 or 5 hours of me fiddling around with this, trying to get the prongs all set. So unfortunately, we got no progress done. Good thing is that it is almost done. Literally, all I'm gonna have to do is get these sanded down, filed down so that they're rounded, and then finally put the stone in. These stones don't really look that small, but at least on camera, but this is what I'm dealing with. This little stone here. That's what I'm dealing with here. So it is a little finicky. So I guess, unfortunately, that is it for tonight. I hope that you enjoyed this episode. Sorry again that we really did not get what we came to do accomplished, but we are getting there. So, I hope that you all liked this episode. If you liked it, hit that like button, and if you really liked it, hit the subscribe button and the bell so that you'll get notified whenever I put out a video. I try to do 2 videos a week, my live, and then these episodes. And if you already have subscribed, tell me down in the comments, so that I know. Yay! I hope to see you all next week, and have a wonderful evening.